Hello everyone, in this video we will be having general introduction about IELTS, and in upcoming videos we will go into more detail for each module. In IELTS we have 4 modules which are listening, reading, writing and speaking. All the modules have equal weightage when it comes to calculation of overall bands out of 9. The test for listening, reading and writing module is conducted on the same day. Listening is taken first, then you will face reading and at last writing. There is no break given between any of the tests. Now coming to speaking, it is conducted either 1 to 5 days before the LRW test or 1 to 2 days after the LRW module. It can also be held on the same day, but the probability is really very low. Lastly, in IELTS, you will not be tested on your smartness. English skills are tested and not the student intelligence. Let's dive deep into listening section. In listening, you will face a total of 40 questions. The audio will run for 30 minutes which will not be repeated, after which you will get 10 minutes to transfer whatever you have heard in terms of answers to an OMR sheet. Listening is having total 4 sections in which you will hear a mix of conversations and solo presentations. You will face different types of questions, for example, MCQs, fill in the blanks, maps, and many more. Moving forward towards reading section. It also has 40 questions to be answered. You will have 60 minutes and 3 passages to complete the reading tests. Please make a note, both listening and reading sections will become more difficult as you move from section 1 to section 4 in listening and passage 1 to passage 3 in reading. You will have 14 exact different variations in terms of question types, and they can be in order or not in order. Now taking you towards next module, which is speaking section. Let's see what we have here. You will be speaking for about 11 to 14 minutes on the exam day. It consists of 3 sections. In section 1, you will have an interview type of experience with an examiner. You will be expected to answer simple short questions in 2 to 3 lines. In section 2, you will be given a cue card on a specific topic or a situation in your life. It can be an experience from the past or a situation you are presently into or some possibility related to your future, and you need to speak for around 2 minutes after 1 minute of sharp preparation time. In section 3, you will enter into a discussion with the questions related to your cue card, and you will be answering in detail for this section. Lastly, in writing section, those appearing for academic IELTS, you will have to write a report, and those giving general IELTS examination will face a letter writing in task 1. For task 2, everyone has to write an essay for more than 250 words. Both the tasks are needed to be completed in 60 minutes sharp. There are different question types for both the tasks which will be discussed in the upcoming videos. So that's it for the first introductory video. If you are eager to crack IELTS, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is Deep signing off.